Once again, welcome to our Cooled Care Maths class, and today we are going to learn about logarithms, and if you have any question or any comment, just feel free to type it in the comment section. So, I will start by the definition. A logarithm is an inverse operation of an index or the power. It answers the question, to what power must the base be raised to produce a given number? Given the index expression, y is equal to a to the power of x. If you convert it to a logarithm expression, it becomes x equal to log y base a. So, let me explain the steps to convert an index expression into a logarithm expression. Base a stays as the base, the power x becomes the answer, and the answer x becomes the argument log y base a. Now, let us discuss the laws of logarithms. The first law is the product law, which states that a logarithm of numbers which are multiplying is the same as the addition of the logarithms of each number. This is expressed as log x y is equal to log x plus log y. The second law is the quotient law, which states that a logarithm of numbers which are dividing is the same as the logarithm of the dividend minus the logarithm of the divider. This is expressed as log x over y is equal to log x minus log y. The third law is the power law, which states that the logarithm of a number which has a power or index is the same as the logarithm of the same number multiplied by the power. This is expressed as log x to the power of m is equal to m log x. Now let us talk about other rules which apply to logarithms. The first rule states that log of 1 is always 0. So no matter which base are you using, log 1 is always equal to 0. The second one states that if a logarithm has the same number as the base, the result is 1. This is expressed as log x base x is equal to 1. The third one tells us that if we see a logarithm without a base, it means it is in base 10. That is the default base. Hence log x is same as log x base 10. The fourth one states that log of a reciprocal or log of a fraction, which has 1 as the numerator, is equal to the negative log of the denominator. This can be expressed as log 1 over x is equal to negative log x. The fifth one is the equality rule, which states that if you have an equation with two logarithms which has the same base, it means their values are the same. This can be expressed as if log b base a is equal to log c base a. Then b is equal to c. The last one is the change of base rule, which is expressed as log b base a is equal to log b base x divided by log a base x. So this is a change of base from a to x. Now, since we have learnt these laws and rules of logarithms, let us do two examples to apply them. For the first example, we are given a long expression which should be simplified so that we can be left with a logarithm of a single number n. So let us start with our expression 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3 minus 2 log 6. If we apply the power law, we get log 2 cubed plus log 3 squared minus log 6 squared. This can be simplified to log 8 plus log 9 minus log 36. If we apply the multiplication and quotient laws, we get log of 8 times 9 divided by 36. This is equal to log 72 over 36, which will then give us log 2. Let us do another example, which is a typical exam question. We are given this equation with indices of x. So, the first step is to bring down those indices, or powers, using logarithms. So, we apply logarithms to both sides of the equation. After that, we can use the power law, which will give us x log 3 equals x minus 2 log 6. From here, we just break the brackets and get x log 3 is equal to x log 6 minus 2 log 6. Now we can put the x terms on one side to factor out x and get 2 log 6 equal to x log 6 minus log 3. From this we can apply the quotient law on log 6 minus log 3 to get log 6 over 3, which is equal to log 2. Now we can divide both sides by log 2 to leave x on one side. And since we can't simplify any further, we can now use the calculator or mathematical tables to get the final answer, which is 5.17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was very useful to you. And once again, if you have any comment or question, just feel free to type it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I wish you all the best.